Teaching problem solving in preschool is one of the most important lessons you're going to teach them. I've made a few videos about this recently, how I teach problem solving skills with puppets and song, and how I have a problem solving wall in my Take a Break Center. After I've taught the problem solving skills, this is another lesson that I'll do to follow up. If you have not seen this book, it's one of my favorite new books. It's called Problem Solved by Jan Thomas, and Porcupine Pete has really silly ways to solve the problems. First, I'll get all your shirts, fold them very carefully. Oh, that sounds good. Then I'll feed them to the goldfish. So he does really silly things that are not great problem solving skills. And then he says, problem solved. Next, I'll get all your blocks and stack them very high. Then I'll flush them down the toilet. This is great for problem solving. It's really funny. You can talk about what the actual way to solve that problem would have been. And then this is the follow-up lesson that I used. I have Porcupine Pete. And then I have problem solving cards. So I'm going to ask them, was that a good way to solve the problem or not? Here we go. You want the teacher's attention, but she's busy. Porcupine Pete says, wait quietly or say, excuse me. Was this good problem solving? Yes or no? And if they're holding this, they can say, problem solved. The problem, a friend doesn't want to share markers. Porcupine Pete says, grab the markers from them. Good problem solving? Yes or no? No. So all of these you're going to have to decide, was that a good way to solve the problem or not? So after you've taught problem solving skills, this is going to be a way to practice. Do they understand and know what you're talking about?